My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues in Michigan, and our primary focus as we approach these videos is to educate, to provide education to our viewing public. Because let's face it, if you're in court and you have more knowledge on what's going on than the other side that you're fighting, you are at a distinct advantage. And these videos help you get to that place. Therefore, subscribe to our channel for videos on topics that you may be interested in that may impact you, or stuff that may not impact you that you're interested in. Today we're going to talk about smart ways to divide retirement assets during divorce. Now, retirement assets doesn't necessarily mean that you're taking them now. They may be retirement assets that you're not really eligible to take from an age eligibility standpoint for several years. However, you know, the knee-jerk reaction may say, well, we're getting divorced, we're just liquidating everything and divide. Well, sure, that may be an easy way to do it. But it may not be the smart way to do it, because certain retirement securities and plans, they have tax ramifications if you invade them too early. So you don't necessarily want to start liquidating stuff, because then it'll become worth less than it would be if you followed the right protocol for it. So the better strategy might be to leave those things intact so we don't trigger some sort of taxable event, but set up the value against another asset. So maybe instead of invading a 401k plan, we keep the plan in place. We don't give a piece of that to the other side, but we give them more of the house. We give them less of the debts. We do something to tweak it so that we preserve the assets in as best condition as we possibly can. Think of it as a house. If you have a house and you want to use it as an asset to set off to the other side, what are you going to do? Are you going to take that house and destroy all the windows and remove the kitchen and all the bathroom fixtures? Or are you going to keep the house pristine so you get the most value for it, which you're trading against the other side's claim? Obviously, you're going to want to maintain the value because you're going to trade it against the claim of the other side. Similarly, with a retirement account, you're not going to want to put it in a worse condition so that it's worth less by liquidating it, and now there's a tax consequence. Maybe there's an early prepayment penalty, maybe all these kinds of things if you withdraw early. So you don't want to put it in that position. You want to use the asset in a way where its value is the highest. Now, if you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.